Good morning.
From St. Martin.
Yes, we're excited to be back here. We were here a year ago and we did a tour, but today we're exploring on our own.
Yes, we are going to take the water taxi from our port to Philipsburg. And then we're going to walk around Front Street and Back Street. They do have different names in Dutch, but that's what they are.
And then Bruce has something special.
We're going to stop and see Yoda Guy. It's a museum, and if you know, you know. If you don't, stick around and watch and you'll find out.
That'll be fun. We'll take you on our trip. We are sail away with Bruce and Eileen. Welcome or welcome back to our channel. We're in St. Martin. There's 3 ships here this time. Last time there was only one.
And that was our little Asmara. 670 passengers, and the shops didn't even open up for us in the port area.
It's going to be a different experience today.
Oh my, I missed it, but we also have the XL celebrity ship here.
Oh my.
It just showed up. So now we have, I'm going to call it 5 large ships, because the Star Sea is so big, I'm going to count that as 1.5, and Azamara is small, so that's a half. Boarding the water taxi was quick and efficient. There were several taxis in use that day, so waiting was never a problem. As we pulled out from the dock, we were able to see all 5 ships at St. Martin that day. They were the Azamara Quest, the Sky Princess, Caribbean Princess, Star of the Seas, and Celebrity XL. The water was calm and the weather was beautiful.
We are known to be the smallest island in the world that shares 2 countries, Dutch and French. On that side of the island, right where you are, it is 16 square miles. The French side, it is 21 square miles. Between the Dutch and the French, we have 112 different nationalities living here. We just want to tell you that tourism is the biggest contributor to our economy. So we are very much appreciative of your presence and your contribution. In a nice and a kind way, we simply want to tell you, please come back again, and it's a pleasure meeting each and every one of you.
Well, that was fun, wasn't it?
Yes, it was. And it's only $7 round trip. I'd recommend it.
So now we're on the beachfront here in St. Martin. There's, of course, there's a cruise port. You got to have Diamonds International. I don't know. They haven't got any of our money yet, but look at all the chairs.
There is a beach right here.
There's a beach right here. Now the chairs do cost money, and the price depends on the vendor and the color of the umbrella. So talk to them. Some come with drinks, some come with internet. And we're gonna walk along the boardwalk here, and then we'll make our way across Front Street, and then we'll go back. Last year we were here and I did get my shot glass, so I don't need another shot glass. So we really have no shopping we would need to do, right dear?
Right.
Well,
other than window shopping. I always like to look. You never know.
Or there's something that just says, buy me, buy me, buy me.
Especially for flowy, cool dresses. That's my jam.
The best oxtails, curry goat, conchs, garlic shrimp. That sounds like good local food. It's quite a nice looking resort there with chairs in the water. It's very inviting. Personal pan pizza, $5. Frozen bar. That's some good prices. The beach looks awfully full of chairs already, and they have all these stacked up. I don't know where they put them, if they did sell them.
We walked all the way to the one end of the boardwalk. And I bought me a flowy dress. white dress.
Well, look what we have discovered here. A water Lamborghini. Be nice to see this out on the water. Yep.
Hi, we are here in St. Maartin at the beach. We walked all the way down from the water taxi drop-off, and now we're in a deserted beach area, and it's just a lovely, lovely, beautiful day.
I wouldn't say we're so deserted. We're looking at a jet ski junkyard because not all of them come back in one piece apparently. But, you know, it is less touristy and there's no umbrellas.
Yeah, there's not. It's just not full of umbrellas. We just have a beautiful beach here. So just enjoying this beautiful morning.
And if you come here with your beach towel and want to hang out by yourself, the beach is free to hang on.
And really just a 10-minute walk from the drop-off. So.
We're now making our way from the beach up to Front Street, which is supposed to be home of some great shopping opportunities. There's only 2 streets in town, and there's primarily Front Street and Back Street. I think we're past a little bit of the main shopping area at the present time, but there's the Catholic cemetery. This church is nicely decorated.
Methodist Church.
Philipsburg Methodist Church, 1851. The stories that church could probably tell. So getting back here again, the shopping turns more upscale with each block.
Hi, we stopped at this Double Dutch coffee house just for a cool beverage and to get on the Wi-Fi and just to rest our feet before we continue our walk.
But they had a great looking breakfast lunch buffet that was $6 per pound. They had a variety of different foods. And if you're hungry, it was $2.50 for a sandwich. They had big pieces of cheesecake for $4. We thought a cut through from Front Street to Back Street. Back Street is a bustling, locally oriented and affordable shopping area. The rents are lower and the prices are as well. We found a number of clothing shops without the big names. And there were also some electronic shops and luggage stores. The restaurants on Back Street served local cuisine, and no diamond merchants here. This is not the tourist area. This is an authentic Caribbean city street. For a real St. Maartin experience, be sure to get off Front Street and see Back Street. Though after a bit, we headed back to Front Street as, after all, we are tourists. We're back on Front Street, a little more lively. There it is, Piranha Joe. We're going to go in there? No. Next door to the rarely known Yoda Guy. Nick Bally is the Yoda Guy. Originally from London, he started working as a makeup artist. He was hired to work on the first Star Wars film and created some of the creatures in the cantina scene. During the second Star Wars film, he worked to bring Yoda to life. He has since worked on 53 films, including Superman, Highlander, and Alien. The Yoda Guy is his merch store and museum. The museum costs $20 per person. They recommend taking your time to go through it and spending at least an hour or more. We did not have the time as we had other plans, but it was a great stop and very interesting. So we found this little alleyway from the front street to the beach. Sometimes the best discoveries are those you just stumble upon. This is a fantastic way to get from Front Street to the beach. What'd you think?
I loved it. I loved it. Beautiful little secret garden.
Little discovery.
I'm walking it.
Could have walked by it easily. Eileen did, and I called her back. So what do we got here, dear?
Guava berry colada. The guava berries are the berry in St. Martin. They're famous for it. I think it's their national berry. They got berry jam, all that. But we were told we had to get the guava berry colada, which was invented here, and it's very good. Refreshing after a morning of walking.
For sure. We then reboarded the water taxi for the return trip to the cruise ship dock. You can walk back or take a regular taxi, but why miss such a beautiful ride? We walked up to the only booth that was open and bought water taxi tickets just before 9 o'clock, and we're no one in line. Now it's noon, it's hotter outside, the beach is busy, and the line is 2 booths open and quite a long line. Get up, get out early. At Sail Away, the Princess ships had a horn duel. Listen in. As we review our sail away from St. Maartin, we reflect back on a great day walking the beach, window shopping, and riding the water taxi. A full day before noon for less than $25. You do not need high-priced excursions to get the authentic feel for a community.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. It helps us out and doesn't cost you a dime. Happy sailing!